Are you looking to upgrade your backyard with a functional and stylish slat wall system? I'm Brendan with theluxurypergola.com, and I'm going to be breaking down the differences between the two different slat wall options to help you decide what might be right for you. Let's get started. First and foremost, of course, is the aesthetics. Both wood and aluminum can provide a really nice, beautiful outdoor space, just in different ways. The second is going to be durability, which is a big factor for outdoor spaces. It'll handle snow, wind, rain, and sun with ease, and it doesn't warp or rot or attract insects. Wood, even when treated, is more susceptible to moisture damage, fading from UV rays, and long-term wear. Aluminum is basically maintenance-free. A quick rinse, and it's good as new. Wood, however, needs routine maintenance to keep it looking great. Expect to clean, sand, and reseal it every year or two, especially in harsh climates. Both options are great if you have an eco-friendly mindset for your patio. Wood is a renewable material, especially if it's sourced responsibly, but it can still contribute to deforestation if it is not harvested sustainably. Aluminum is 100% recyclable and lasts decades, reducing the need for replacement materials. The initial cost between wood and aluminum slats varies. Wood typically has a lower upfront cost, but requires more over time when you take into account maintenance and repair. Aluminum has a higher upfront cost, but pays off in longevity and zero upkeep costs. So, aluminum or wood? Ultimately, it comes down to your style, budget, and how much maintenance you're willing to do. At the Luxury Pergola, you can purchase custom slat walls to fit your pergola perfectly, or you can get just the receiver brackets and pick the kind of wood that you want. If you're interested in getting a slat wall, go to theluxurypergola.com and get yours.